right, crew, so it is time. It is time to go ahead and see if I can take this cab and take it over to old Counts. He's gonna let me use his paint booth. I just left him over there cleaning it out, getting it ready for paint. So I am ready to paint, guys. Hey, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Hey, and welcome back to another video. So this is gonna be a really exciting week for me. We're finally to the point, guys, that we are ready to put some color on the cab. You guys have been with me from day one when we went and picked this old rust bucket up, and now she is looking like she has potential. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. Come along for the ride with me today, guys. We're gonna go ahead and just take the cab today over to old Count's paint booth, and starting first thing in the morning, we're going to start laying some paint. So hey, I'm gonna show you guys the paint booth inside today and show you what we'll be painting. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and try to move my cab up on this trailer. My neighbor's gonna help me out today. So hey, stand by, guys, and hey, let's get to it, and hopefully we have a productive day. Hey, and hopefully I'll be smoking a victory cigar after we finish painting all the parts, guys. So let's get to it. I guess I get back or whatever. Like, I guess just hit me. It should roll up easy, you know. Like, I guess
you roll it all the way up.
Yeah, I'm rolling up.
Yeah,
All right.
I'm
trying to just pick it up. All right, so I got all strapped up, man, best I can. Hopefully she'll stay there. Everything I'm painting tomorrow, running boards, inner fenders. I'll come back for my front fenders. So, but my main thing is focusing on the cab. All right, let's go ahead and get it over there, guys. Yep. All right, crew, so I got it wiped down and we're ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and tack it off right before I spray. I'm gonna set up my little scaffolding here. I'll start with the top first. Set up my scaffolding. Then I'm gonna come in here, guys, and we'll be ready to go ahead and put that first coat on. So let's go ahead and get to it, crew. All right, crew, hey, we are almost there, man. 50% done with everything. And I tell you what, man, I think I did a really good job with the base coat. I put 3 good coats. The first coat, as y'all saw, was a light coat, and then I put 2 good coats on it to try to clear. And I tell you what, man, this blue is kind of hard to paint, man. You know, it's for me, I wear glasses, so it's kind of hard. I see shadows, but other than that, man, and I tell you what I like, you can see the pearl and just a little bit of metallic, actually. Metallic, I meant to say. And it's almost like in certain areas, if you look at it, it's purple, and it's also black, and it's also blue, man. So you can see the little shade tint in it. So everything got 100% good clear coverage. And I tell you what, man, I was blessed. I got no runs in the paint, none whatsoever. I think this is going to turn out really well, guys. Dash turned out slick. For my first time ever painting metallics and stuff, I think I did a decent job, man. Like I said, can't get it perfect, but this is the best I can get it, and I think we're doing a good job. So the next stage, we're going to go ahead and put this clear on it. I'm using a new clear gun, so hopefully it'll lay down good. So you can see exactly what I'm talking about. It's actually like it's a blue, but it has that metallic in it, and the little flake. And I'm telling you, it's not even popping right now, but I can tell once I put that clear on it, I think it's gonna pop. So that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and wash down this paint booth, and let's go ahead and start putting some clear. I cut my heat on so I can try to, it's already up to 70, so I'm good. So let's go ahead and clean this booth off. All right, guys, so before we start clearing, we're gonna go ahead and tack it off one more time. All right, crew, so we are finished with the cab, man. We got the hardest part out of the way. It was an early morning, but we actually got it done, and this is the finished product. So basically, guys, from the beginning to the end, we went ahead and put really 4 coats of base coat. I put 3 just regular coats. I put a light coat, and I put 2 decent coats on it, and then that 4th coat was really just like a mist coat. So really just 3 coats, guys. And then I put 3 good coats of clear on it, and it turned out awesome. Have no runs. First paint job I ever did that did not have any runs. So I'm gonna let this cure and dry overnight, and we're gonna start painting other parts of the truck, guys. I'll probably tomorrow paint the doors, and also the 2 front fenders in the hood. So this will probably be a 3 or 4 day process, but this is it, man. Inside here, as long as I'm just gonna, like they say, just leave it alone, walk away. And like I said, I got a little trash in it. I don't know where that came from. It probably just came from my gun. I used a new gun as far as a clear gun, so maybe it was a little bit of trash in the gun. I probably could have cleaned it out better, but look how good that looked, man. It's really looking really awesome. And it's been drying already for about, it's probably good and dry. It's probably dry now, but dry to the touch. But this is what she's gonna sit for overnight. Alright, so there you go, man. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. This has been an awesome adventure. We're finally at the stage of painting. We still got a long way to go, but this baby here, this is going to be the toughest of all. So I got this done. Everything else should be downhill. If you like this video, if you want to see more videos, DIY videos like this, leave some comments down below in the link there. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you like how it turned out. This is a really dark blue. It looks a little purple. So give me a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Don't forget to share this video, guys. And if you really like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me to help me out. So like I tell everybody, man, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.